Dear all, today we are discussing the structural components of pectin. There are various components present in pectin. First is homogalacturonone. About 65% of pectin is composed of D-galacturonic acid. Second is rhamnogalacturonone 1. Alternating galacturonic acid and rhamnose residues with side chains of neutral sugars like arabinons, galactans, branching of rhamnose units, creating hairy regions. Next is rhamnogalacturonone second, a smaller, highly conserved domain with a short homogalacturonone backbone and complex unique side chains containing various sugars. Last is xylogalacturonone and apiogalacturonone, homogalacturonone backbones with xylose or apiose substitutions, respectively. If you are new on the channel, please do subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you so much.